The first part of the turn-in assignment is to basically calculate some descriptive statistics using Excel. So I'll go up to the data analysis portion of this. I will select on here descriptive statistics and hit OK. I will highlight the input range of the values that we're giving, and for the output range you can either select a new sheet or you can select a portion of the page that you're on. I'll select a portion of the page that I'm already on. I want to give summary statistics, so I want to make sure that's checked on, and I'll hit OK. And here you can see you're given all the descriptive statistics that were asked for: mean, median, the mode, standard deviation, and so on and so forth. The second question asked how many values you had that were two standard deviations above and below the mean. Well, again, you can use this or do this using Excel. If I say just above and below, I can write a little equation that just says equals to, I'll just click on the mean value here, plus parentheses 2 times, and then I can just click on the standard deviation. I've written myself a little equation for that. And I can do the same thing with below, 2 standard deviations below. I'll say equals the mean minus, and again 2 times, and again the standard deviation here. Now again, you can do this sort of manually in your calculator, but if you have Excel, you know, it's always, you know, I think fun to use Excel. So anyway, I've got, you know, 2 standard deviations above and below, and now I can ask myself how many, and again I can, you know, do this manually by just observing, or I can use Excel to do this. And what I'll do in Excel is I'll write myself another little function. This is called using the COUNTIF function. So basically I'm going to count if, you know, on this sheet, I'm on sheet 1, okay, I'm looking at the range of values in A1 through A25, okay, and I'll put a comma here, and then I'm going to say count if, you know, how many values you have that are greater than 38.49, and I'll put the quotation marks closed, and this will actually count the number. And of course you could do this, like I said, just visually, and you'd say no. I could write again how many below, and it's sort of the same deal. Count if, you know, I'm on sheet 1, I'm using the same range of values, and this time put the little quotation marks, but this time I'm saying am I less than, in this case, 31.57. Close the quotation marks, close the parentheses, and again it's 0. For the last part is plotting the histogram. Again, I'll go into data analysis. There is a histogram selection tool that you can use, so you'll say OK. Again, you want to make sure that you've got the right range, which is A1 through A25, so that's good. You know, for the histogram, you can put it on a new worksheet if you'd like, maybe being a chart, that's probably wise to do. So I'll just say OK. All right, I'm given this histogram. You know, you can blow it up if you want. Now, I did ask for no gaps. Now, again, if you were reading the article that I gave you, in Module 1, you'll notice that they had histograms that were all closed together. You can see that there's gaps here. What we can do here is highlight the bars, right-click, and say Format Data Series, and you'll see that there is this little sliding tool that accounts for the gap width. You can pull that all the way down to the no gap, close, and there you have it. So that's the answer for Module 1.